Well, it's time for another quick shop update. I actually just finished welding this, so it's pretty toasty, but this is the piece I was drilling holes in the other day. I put a couple of end plates on there, and you'll be seeing what I'm going to do with that soon. Yeah, so that's done. This is interesting. It's one of those diamond metal cutoff wheels. It's slower than your typical 16th inch cutoff wheel, but it doesn't blow up on you. At least it hasn't so far, and the quality is pretty good. It went through this, and it also went through this 1/8 inch plate too. So, and I do say plate because this is actual 836, so it's not just 10 gauge or something like that sheet metal. I love this thing. I got it on Monday on super sale. The Harbor Freight bands are not the greatest. Everybody knows that, but I got a few samples to try, and man, it works really well for certain things. I'm going to look forward to using that for roll cages because you can actually get that tip in and you can grind through stuff pretty quickly. I'm telling you, I'm really going to like that. It's actually built pretty well. Solid, fairly solid aluminum castings, finished pretty decently. Everything works on it. I haven't figured out the tilt adjustment so far, but I haven't really needed to do that yet. So, yeah, that's not bad at all. Yeah, the other thing is I finished clearing off pretty much everything on the wall on this side of the shop. And I moved the truck over. It's going to stay there for a while because I'm going to start tearing into that. And yeah, that's basically the state of the shop. And I got some LED lights coming. Those will hopefully be going up soon because man, this place needs more light. And yeah, just a few other odds and ends. I had to get some more fittings, and since you can't buy just these at Harbor Freight, you end up getting the whole kit, but I have a few ideas on what I'm going to use those for anyway. And I picked up a cheap 6-inch caliper. It was on sale. This one I don't have to worry about bunging around. I don't like using my Mitutoyos on the bench, basically. So if I bung these up, I could buy, I don't even know how many for the price of my Mitutoyos. But I mostly got those because I want to measure the divot in here because I've got some ideas on how to hang my tools. And yeah, that's basically it. Just been busy cleaning and moving stuff, and then I figured I'd throw together this piece here because I've just got the itch to build stuff because I finally have something to build it on. So, well, that's it. Hope you enjoy the updates. Like, subscribe, all that jazz. Hit me up on Instagram at BeaverBuilt. You can even look up my Facebook if you're so inclined. I haven't been posting to that much lately, but we'll see about that. Yeah, and then the next couple of weeks I'm going to have some fairly large surprises coming, so stay tuned and have a great day.